Hi YouTube, welcome back to Visual 3D Card Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to create share links. So let's say you have created an absolutely amazing design and you want to share this with your customers or clients or partners, business partners, or you want to integrate that into your website or application. That's how I'm going to show you how to do this in a very simple way. So let's jump right in. So let's say we have our design ready. So we've got this beautiful car driving through space on a full metal foil background. And you've got all your layers ready, you've got everything done, and now you want to share this. And we have an option on how to share in different ways. You can actually create multiple different share links, and I'm going to show you how this works. So the first thing you want to do is click up here on the share tab. It will open a new prompt, and we will stick with the preview for now. The first thing you want to do is give that link a name. So for example, we're going to call this customer preview. And the second thing, you can decide if you want to put in a password. So you can type in a password, for example. I'm going to do this right now with 1234, the safest password in the universe, as we all know. And you can even add an expiry date. So I'm going to just put this like, I don't know, end of next week. And you can choose whether the link is going to be static or dynamic. What does this mean? So if you choose dynamic, the link will actually update itself every time that you make a change inside the project. This is great if you're still working on a project and if you want to make changes together with your customer, or they write you something like, can you please change the color or something? You can do that in the project and it will update the link dynamically. If you want to have a static card, for example, in a website, and you want to make sure that the changes are not being shown there, then you want to choose a static link. So right now we're going to go with dynamic. And the next thing is we're going to choose all the options that the customer can see. So you can show attributes and versions. So if you have different variations or versions of a card inside within a project, like for example, a VIP card versus a standard card, and they can actually choose it. You can include the explosion view. You can delete the background if you want to. This is especially useful for websites. You can enable and disable panning and zooming, the comments. You can enable full screen, the full screen button, the animation control, and a snapshot. So I'm going to disable the comments right now. I'm going to disable attributes and versions because this is part of a different video. I'm going to include the explode view and animation control and so on. And we're going to start with an animation. Right now, what you see in the background, the wiggle and the speed, but we will be able to change that in the future, like in that link. Now, I'm just going to click share and copy. And that's it. And we have it stored in our share tab. So let me share. Let me show you where this is. So on the left-hand side, you have the main tabs. If you click on share, you will now see already two links because I created one for the website. And this one is the customer preview. So let's see how this looks in the browser. So here we go. The link has been copied to the clipboard, so you can just simply paste it in here. Oh, we have the password. What was the password again? 1234. This super secure password. And here we go. And it's already showing the preview of the project with the card and the expiry date up here. You can rotate the card, you can view it around. And down here, you can, for example, go to full screen mode if you want to present it. You can take a snapshot. It will download a snapshot immediately. Here you go. You can open the animation control and choose the speed of the animation. You can go to wiggle, make it faster, slower, or you can just have the card rotate or stop the animation completely. I'm going to put it on a wiggle. And you have an explosion view. So if you take this slider to here, it will actually show you all of the layers and how it looks, how the card is actually being set up. So you can see the metal full coil, the full metal foil, the white screen print or litho print, and then the CMYK overprint on top of it. Now let's say you want to integrate that project into your website. That's very easy. All you got to do is basically create another link like I did here on Visual Website. You can also edit each link. Like here, I named this one Visual Website, and without an expiry date, obviously, no password. The link type in this case is dynamic. I'm going to switch this to static, actually. It makes more sense. And I restricted the access control, so to only be able to do a zoom. And I decided to delete the background, so it actually shows the background of the website. And once you do that, you get a result where you get a link, and you can paste that inside your HTML content or website content or application. And what you get is this. So I'm going to reload this website because I updated the link. And here we go. No background, no buttons, no nothing. I just have the card inside my website, and I can use this for applications or any other media. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'm going to post this link down into the comment section. And yeah, happy designing.